Amala is incredibly special. The underwater landscape here is really vibrant. Beautiful hard corals, healthy reefs, and it's more and more difficult to find that these days. My name is Tobias Friedrich and I'm an underwater photographer. You know, growing up, I always wanted to be an astronaut. Maybe diving is what comes closest. You have to be so prepared, but you can never know what's down there. And then suddenly, you find yourself in another world. I've started taking photographs so I could show others how special it is down here. I hope that my images encourage people to preserve and protect the ocean. Yeah, this is really what I'm hoping for.